Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Ronald, and on this channel, we talk about all things money-making, online income, and building your dream life from the comfort of your home. If that sounds good to you, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular ways to make money online, affiliate marketing. And the best part? You can do it all from home with just a computer and an internet connection. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can start earning money through affiliate marketing using simple techniques that anyone can follow. Whether you're new to this or looking to improve your strategy, I've got something for you, so make sure to stick around till the end. All right, so first things first. What exactly is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products or services online, and in return, you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Think of it like being a middleman. You connect a customer to a product, and when the customer buys it, you get paid. And the great part? You don't need to handle the product, customer service, or shipping. All you do is recommend and share the product link, and the company does the rest. It's really that simple. Okay, now that we understand what affiliate marketing is, let's talk about how to get started. Step 1 is choosing a niche. A niche is basically the topic or area you want to focus on, whether that's fitness, tech gadgets, personal finance, or beauty products. The key is to pick something that you're genuinely interested in or passionate about. When you care about the product you're promoting, your audience will notice, and your recommendations will be more authentic. Don't worry about having to be an expert in your niche right away. You'll learn as you go, and over time, you'll build up your knowledge. The important thing is to start with a topic you feel comfortable talking about. Step 2 is to find affiliate programs related to your niche. There are tons of affiliate programs out there, from big e-commerce platforms like Amazon to specialized programs like Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, and ClickBank. Most companies offer affiliate programs nowadays, so you'll have no trouble finding products to promote. To join, just search for affiliate program plus your niche and sign up. The process is usually pretty straightforward, and once approved, you'll get a unique link that tracks any sales made through your promotions. All right, now let's talk about how to actually promote your affiliate products. There are multiple ways to do this, but I'm going to share a few strategies that work well whether you have a large audience or are just starting out. First up, content marketing. This is one of the most effective ways to promote affiliate products because it doesn't come off as pushy or salesy. You can create valuable content like blog posts, YouTube videos, social media posts, or even podcasts where you share tips, tutorials, or product reviews. And within that content, you naturally include your affiliate links. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, you could create a video reviewing your favorite workout gear or writing a blog post about the best protein powders and include affiliate links. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Another powerful way to promote affiliate products is through social media. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok are great for visually promoting products. If you're into fashion, beauty, or even tech, you can create engaging posts or short videos showing off the product and include your affiliate link in your bio or captions. But don't forget about SEO, search engine optimization. If you're writing blogs or making YouTube videos, optimizing your content with relevant keywords will help it rank higher in search results, which means more people will find it, click your links, and potentially make a purchase. Now, one of the most underrated ways to promote affiliate products is through email marketing. Building an email list is like having a direct line of communication with your audience. Once people sign up to your list, you can send them regular updates, product recommendations, and exclusive deals, all with your affiliate links included. This strategy works wonders because email has a higher conversion rate than most social media platforms. The people on your list are already interested in what you have to say, so they're more likely to click and buy. Now that you know how to start and promote your affiliate links, let me share some key tips that will help you succeed in affiliate marketing. First, be honest with your audience. Only promote products you truly believe in or have tried yourself. Your credibility is key to building trust, and that trust will lead to more clicks and sales over time. Second, stay consistent. Success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight, so keep creating content and sharing your links regularly. The more you do, the better your chances of generating steady income. And third, track your results. Use tools like Google Analytics or your affiliate dashboard to monitor which content and links are performing best. This will help you fine-tune your strategy and focus on what's working. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money from home because it offers flexibility, scalability, and the opportunity to earn passive income. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash or turn it into a full-time business, the key is to stay patient, keep learning, and take action. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who's interested in making money online. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on affiliate marketing, online business, and financial freedom. See you in the next one.